All right, 6:57, time now for our Sunrise Smart Start.
Governor Cuomo says New York will remain on pause through May 15th. Cuomo making that announcement yesterday as the state death toll surpasses over 12,000. Despite this dark news, Cuomo says hospitalizations and the rate of ICU admissions are still going down. He is asking New Yorkers to stay the course and keep social distancing.
Meanwhile, the White House rolling out its own advice for states, saying they should only reopen when there's a downslope of new COVID-19 cases. In phase 1, the vulnerable would still stay at home and schools would remain closed. But restaurants, churches, and gyms could reopen with strict physical distancing. Phase 2 would take place when states don't see a rebound in infections. Only then would schools be able to reopen.
Starting today, people in New York will be required to wear a mask or face covering in public whenever social distancing is not possible. The face covering has to cover your nose and your mouth. Governor Cuomo says disobeying the order does not come with a punishment right now, but alluded to a potential civil punishment if it is not followed. In a press conference yesterday, Governor Cuomo adding people should also be wearing masks on public transit.
University of Rochester Medical Center researchers are launching a new study to understand how the immune system responds to a COVID-19 infection. The study aims to recruit about 100 people locally who are COVID-19 positive and then follow them for several months. They're looking for people who are currently infected, were infected, suspected to be carriers, or had been exposed in households with someone known to have the virus.
And starting this morning, the Walmart on Hudson Avenue will be a drive-through COVID-19 testing site. You first have to qualify to use the service, though. Even then, you have to make an appointment first. A company called Quest Diagnostics is providing the tests. Right now, only people with symptoms of COVID-19 can get tested. They have to be screened first and approved for that test. The site is open from 9 a.m. until 4 p.m., weather permitting.
And Josh, the pattern continuing, another chilly start.
Yeah, April continues to masquerade as March. Temperatures today into the low 40s. Most of the day will be dry, but the sunshine that we have this morning will give way to increasing and thickening clouds. You can see some high clouds over Rochester here this morning, but it is a beautiful morning despite the fact that it is also pretty chilly. As we look at satellite and radar, there's the snow that awaits for this evening and into later tonight. Again, the bulk of the day dry, but expect an accumulating snow, especially south of the Thruway, overnight tonight.
All right. Thank you very much. And thank you for watching News 8 at Sunrise.
Our next update coming up in 25 minutes. CBS This Morning starts right now. Be safe and have a great day.